Namaste, myself Priyanka Sharma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 yoga postures to how to get rid of lower back pain. Do you have lower back pain? Then you must watch this video till the end. What are the healthy ways to keep your lower spine perfect and healthy? First is you need to regularly exercise. Second is wear proper footwear. Third is you need to maintain your correct postures. Fourth is you need to keep yourself active. And the fifth is you need to maintain your weight. So let's get started with our first asana called Ardha Matsyendra Asana or half fish pose. So I'll be showing you in a lateral sideways. Extend your both the legs forward. Try to relax your legs. Fold your comfortable leg. So I'll be taking my left knee. I'll fold my left knee. I'll make sure that my foot is placed right next to my right knee. Other leg straight. I'll try to keep my spine straight as much as possible. Hugging your left knee. Take a deep breath in. Opposite hand going up. So your right arm going up. Breathe out. Let's twist to our left side. Placing your arm just above your left knee. Place your left palm behind your hip. So you have to measure yourself and then try to twist your spine as much as you can. So this is the beginning one, keeping your right toe pointing out. And if you can hold, if you could hold your left foot, then you can grab your left ankle. And make sure your shoulders are nicely spreading out in one line and your chin parallel to your shoulder, gaze to your back hand. And stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and relax. 5. You'll have a very good stretch. So it is very good for your spine. And then you can repeat to the other side. Moving forward to the second posture called cat and cow pose or Marjarasana. So we need to come on our knees. So again, you need to check that you are measuring properly. So it's a hip width apart. Your hips and your knees are properly aligned. Both the feet are pointing, toes pointing at the back. Both the palms just right below your shoulders. So you can check that your palms and your knees are in one line. Fingers are wide and open. Keep your spine neutral. Keep gazing forward. Take a deep breath in. Lift your tailbone up. Raise your chest up. Do not stress your neck. So you are expanding your chest out. Feel that stretch. Exhale. Your chin tucking to your collarbone. Abdomen in. Squeeze your butts in. Repeat this for a few more rounds. Breathe in. Raise your head up. Lifting your tailbone up, arch your back. Exhale, your spine in round shape. With this, you can also extend your legs out. So if you are good in balancing, so breathe and extend your left leg at the back. Trying not to move your hips. Keep your hips parallel to your floor, to the ground. And then if you are very good at the coordination, you can extend your opposite arm forward and your head in center. And you can stay here for 5, 4, 3, toes pointing, 2 and 1. Rest your palm down, rest your left leg down. Then repeat to the other side. Breathe in, you can extend your right leg back. Left arm forward. If this is too much, you can place your palms and then just keep extending your leg and release the tension from your lower back. Stay here 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rest. So you need to hold your belly while practicing extended Marjarasana. Now, if your wrists are hurting, you can just relax your wrist for a while. We'll move to the Shashankasana or Child's Pose. So we need to spread our both the knees. Take a deep breath in. Raise your arms up. Keep the gap between your thighs and slowly bend forward. If this is not happening, you can place your palms right on the floor and keep walking ahead, and extend your arms, extend your spine, rest your stomach, rest your chest, rest your head on the floor. So this will have a very good effect in your spine. You'll have a very nice stretch and you will relax your lower spine, lower back pain. And then you can come back sliding your palms. You can stay there for 5 breaths. You can hold Shashankasana for 1 to 5 minutes daily to have a very good effect. Now the third asana will move to the Shashankasana or child's pose. So we need to spread our both the knees. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms up. Keep the gap between your thighs and slowly bend forward. If this is not happening, you can place your palms right on the floor and keep walking ahead, and extend your arms, extend your spine, rest your stomach, rest your chest, rest your head on the floor. So this will have a very good effect in your spine. You'll have a very nice stretch and you will relax your lower spine, lower back pain. And then you can come back sliding your palms. You can stay there for 5 breaths. You can hold Shashankasana for 1 to 5 minutes daily to have a very good effect. Now the fourth asana is Cobra pose or half Bhujangasana. So we'll lie down on our belly. And both the palms, both the forearms are on the floor. We'll again check that our shoulder and our elbow is in one line, elbow to wrist in line. So you're forming 90-degree angle. Both the feet together at the back. Breathe in and we will push our chest ahead. We raise our chin up to the ceiling. And we'll hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your chin relax, your neck relax, and this posture also you can fold your knees and squeeze your glutes. Try to press your ankle, press your calves towards your hips. You will have a very good effect in your lower back. Do not lift your head here. Keep looking in front. So this is also one thing you can do. Now after half cobra, you can also press your calves closer to your hips, your ankles, your heels closer to your hips. You can also practice this as an alternative. You will have a very good effect in your lower spine. You will hold here for a few seconds and then you relax. You do not have to lift your hips here. Press your pelvic down on the floor and rest. So this is also very good effect in your lower back. Then we move to our fifth posture is downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. So we'll again extend our both the arms forward on your knees, tuck your toes and lift your tailbone up. And then you will rest your head downward facing, gazing to your navel or just look at the back of your toes. And if this is too much, you can fold your knees and rest your stomach or your belly towards your thighs. You'll have a very good effect in your spine. Also good it improves your blood circulation towards your head. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We will rest back to child's pose and relax your head. Now sixth and the last asana is Vakrasana. So we need to lie down on our spine. I'll be lying down from the side. Hugging your knees. You can just relax and roll your spine from side to side. Relax your spinal muscles. Whatever tension you have it in your back, you can just relax. And then let's start with Vakrasana. Both the feet on the ground, both the hands parallel to your shoulders. Place your palms on the floor. Take a deep breath in. You lift your feet from the ground. Breathe out. We twist our spine. Drop your both the knees on the right side. Turn your head to the left. And make sure you do not lift your shoulder, left shoulder. And stay here for 5 breaths. Exhale maximum. 1,
2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back to the center. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. Take your both the knees to your left side. Make sure your both the thighs, both the knees are hugging towards your chest. Turn your head to your right side. Make sure now this time do not lift your right shoulder. Press your shoulders down. Turn your head nicely and keep breathing. 1. Relax your face. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back to the center, and then you can hug your knees and stay here for a while. Once you're ready, then slowly turn to one side, place your palm, and with the support you can sit back to the place.
So I hope you will like these 6 videos. If you like this video, do like, do comment, and do subscribe below. And for more updates, you can watch these videos out. Thank you. Namaste.